Hello, this is Arafat, Google Ads expert. Today I'll show you how I reactive Google Merchant Center from misrepresentation issue because of which our business is lot of suffering. The Google Merchant account was suspended on 27 August. As you can see, it misrepresentation issue and shopping ad unavailable. So then the clients tried many times by itself, but somehow it does not get approved. You can see uh, September 2, this again suspended after he the client sent the review request. The client called on WhatsApp, my WhatsApp number. He assigned me to fix it. So finally it was successfully approved from misrepresentation on. You can see the Google Merchant Center number is same. This is the same number Google Merchant Center. It's 19 September. It was approved with me. I fix everything on website and Google Merchant Center. So it's successfully approved. You can see that. So I go on overview, and there is no issue. Free listing is active, and also shopping is active. So I go on dashboard. So there is no issue, and I go. So the shopping ad and free listing is active. So is it your Google Merchant Center account suspended due to misrepresentation? You can't able to advertise anymore due to account suspended and product disapproval. If you are already tried to resolve the issue so many times but still can't get the result, and how now your account is cool down period and your business is hampering so much due to misrepresentation issue, you can't able to run the shopping ads anymore. If you are facing all of the issue, don't worry about it. I am here help you. I already resolved mispresentation more than 20,000 Google Merchant Centers. I know what I do. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you want if you want to unsuspended your Google Merchant Center due to misrepresentation of your account any issue, then contact the WhatsApp number given on the screen as soon as possible. Thank you so much.